Hello traders! Welcome to FX Trend Following Academy, your ultimate resource for Forex trading success. Today we're excited to share our powerful Forex trading system that's 99% accurate and non-repainting, generating over 400 pips in a single day by trading just one currency pair. Imagine the pips you'll generate in one day with multiple currency pairs. Even just a consistent 200 pips monthly can yield over 20,000ers with 10 lots. At FX Trend Following Academy, Forex Teacher has been a full-time trader for over a decade. With a computer science degree, programming skills, and years of experience, he personally codes and develops multiple trading systems that have consistently proven high accuracy through years of data backtesting. Before we tell you how to get this system, please watch this video to the end, as many people lack knowledge and rush to download trading strategies and trading systems without even knowing how they work. The majority of new traders fail before they even start trading, because they honestly do not have the patience to watch even these powerful short video tutorials. It doesn't matter if it's a 5-hour video, watch it because your success depends on it. Remember, success requires discipline, patience, and our FX Trend Following Academy trading indicators, and anyone can master it. Let's face it, most traders struggle with two major issues: greediness and emotions, also known as risk management and trading psychology. No trading system can fix these issues for you, and before you purchase or download another free trading system, you need discipline, patience, and to get your hands on our FX Trend Following Academy trading indicators. But don't worry, anyone can do it, even if you're not a rocket scientist. Let's dive into a successful trade example using our indicator on the Gold USD chart. We placed a buy trade and smashed 95 pips in profit. Our entry was at this level, with a stop loss at this level. We hit our take profit at this level, showcasing the system's incredible potential. Let me take some time to update our followers that take profit number 2 was hit within 60 minutes from the entry time. As you can see in this short clip, our trade was running and about to hit TP at the time of the recording, and it got hit. Check out these impressive results from our trading system. From 5 past signals, one buy trade reached 100 pips in profit, shared for free in our channel. Plus, this sell trade made 40 pips, a buy signal generated 57 pips, and a sell trade yielded 42 pips. Another buy trade netted 56 pips, and a sell signal banked 77 pips. In total, we achieved 461 pips in profit potential within one day, trading just one asset on the 1-minute time frame. Now that you've seen our system's power, let's walk you through how it works. Let's unlock your profits with Forex Teacher's powerful Forex indicator. Forex Teacher's Forex indicator is a game changer for traders seeking to maximize profits and minimize risk. By understanding and harnessing the potential of this technical indicator, you can optimize your trading strategy and boost your success in the Forex market. In this guide, we'll delve into interpreting buy and sell signals, analyzing your trading style, and implementing effective stop-loss and take-profit strategies. To become a profitable trader, you need to analyze yourself and get to know what kind of person you are before you start analyzing the market. This self-awareness determines your trading style and the time frame you trade on. The trading system works on all time frames. You need to select the one that suits your behavior and lifestyle. The Forex indicator employs green and red boxes to signify opportune moments for trading. Going long, enter a buy position when the indicator shifts from red to green, while the first green box presents the safest entry point. Trading within subsequent green boxes is an option, albeit riskier due to potential trend exhaustion. Going short. Initiate a sell position when the indicator transitions from green to red. Entering at the first box minimizes risk, while selling within later red boxes may expose you to higher risk. To effectively incorporate this indicator into your strategy, examine your risk tolerance, patience, and trading psychology. Risk appetite. Customize your strategy to match your risk tolerance. Some traders focus on maintaining a high risk-reward ratio with lower winning ratios. These traders concentrate on keeping their composure during losing streaks. However, others quickly get frustrated and deviate from following the trading strategy. These traders prefer higher winning accuracy, which can be achieved with a lower risk-reward ratio. Patience. Evaluate your ability to wait for trading signals or setups. This will help you choose the most appropriate time frame for analysis. Some traders can wait for weeks or days for a trading signal. Trading psychology. Recognize your emotional reactions to losses and losing streaks. This awareness enables you to stick to your trading plan and make informed decisions. Maximize your profits with the Forex indicator by adopting these strategies. Stop loss. Position your stop loss above the previous green box for sell trades and below the previous red box for buy trades with the opposite color signal. This method mitigates risk while allowing for reasonable price fluctuations. Take profit. Aim for a minimum risk-reward ratio of 1.5. By targeting at least $150 for every $1 at risk, you can remain profitable even with a 50% win rate. By effectively leveraging the Forex indicator's signals, tailoring it to your trading style, and optimizing stop loss and take profit levels, you can significantly enhance your Forex trading strategy and boost profitability. Continuously refining your approach and adhering to your trading plan will set you on the path to success in the Forex market. Please check the links in the description for more information and to join our free Forex signals or purchase our technical analysis trading indicators. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process to get our FX Trend Following Academy trading system for free. 1. We randomly select one lucky winner who will be announced in the upcoming video. If you aren't chosen, don't worry. You can still purchase Forex Teacher's trading system. 2. Show your support by subscribing to our YouTube channel. This will not only give you a chance to win the trading system, but also keep you updated with our latest video releases. 3. Engage with our content. Leave a comment in the description section of this video mentioning its title. This helps us identify participants who are genuinely interested in our trading system. 4. Join our vibrant Forex Signals Telegram community for free. Here you'll receive valuable trading insights, connect with fellow traders, and stay up to date with our trading system's performance. Remember, achieving success in trading requires a combination of discipline, patience, and utilizing effective tools like our FX Trend Following Academy trading indicators. Don't hesitate to embark on your journey to becoming a master trader with FX Trend Following Academy today.